Hi guys, today I'm going to be putting together a tree top tutorial. Also, I'm going to be adding some little bundles that I put on the sides of the tree. So we'll do 3 little areas. So I'll do a bundle over here, and down here. This is a 9-foot tree, so if you wanted to add more bundles, that would probably be a better idea. But I've done it and 3 still works great. So all of these swag bundles and the tree topper match. So I'm going to show you a few different ideas on how to put those together. And then I'll add 2 of these. Kind of just wrapping these around each other. I've got this little pine cone I'm just going to put right up front here. And I've got this little white berry that I'm going to add right to the front. So these are going to match the little bundles that I'm going to hang off the sides of the tree. So this I'll just stick in the front, and then I will just add these other picks around the top to kind of marry it together. And if you want to, you can just grab one of these wires here and just wrap them together. If you want to just leave them alone so that you can reuse them for other things, then that's okay too. I like to just wrap them together so that they're easy for storage. I can just stick them in my storage containers, and then I have them for easy access next year. So I would normally start with adding my bundles. So I'm going to put one here, here, and here, but I've got some really big baskets, so I'm actually going to start placing those baskets first, and then I will put the bundles on top of them. So I've got 3 baskets. I got these from Home Goods. I like these ones that are a little bit curved and have the little handles on them. So I've got 2 this side, and with the baskets, I'm having them face down. I'm going to go in here with one of my bundles, and I'm just going to hang it off this branch here, hanging off of the basket. With this next one, this is actually the one I'm going to be using for the Festival of Trees, so you guys get a little sneak peek on that one. I'll show you guys how I put this tree topper together. So I'll be starting off with this snowy pick that we've got here. I'm going to use 2 of those. So this is going to be my base here. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with this. And then this one, kind of want the feathers up a little bit higher because I want you to be able to see those. And I've got some red berries. This was a part of a big grouping that I just took apart and put into different pieces. So you don't always have to spend a fortune to do your tree toppers and swag. Add 2 of these. You'll notice I'm just weaving them all in and out of each other here. Do the same thing on the other side. I like these little sticks kind of sticking all over the place. Those would also be cute if you found some cute little icicles to hang off of these. So this is just the base here of the tree topper. So anything that you have extra, like these snowy picks, I'd probably add probably 2 more to the back of that. And if I had any berries or bells or any of this, I would also add a couple more back here. All right, let's get started with the swag bundle. Go in with the berries, keep them lower, and weave them in. I don't have a third one for this tree, but you guys get the picture. So there would be I would have 3 of the swag bundles. I put the other one right here. And then if I wanted more, I could just make sure they're zigzagged. I could put one down there, here, one over here. The full tree was showing. Here's for the next set of tree toppers. I'm going to show you how I put this together. This is for this actual tree that matches my bedroom. I'm going to start with the base here. I've got 3 of these. I've got 2 of these magnolia leaves. And have each of them hanging off to the sides a little bit. And then I've got these little brown berries. Off to the side here.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't.
So there we go. I'm just going to kind of straighten them out a little bit, make sure everything looks good.
For my bliss, it took days to finally start writing songs, but now
Silver dollar eucalyptus. And I've got this brown that's going to go on top of that. I always make sure to layer them a little bit further down than the first one. This one's so pretty. So that one's just going to go right on top of that. And I've got these bells. I got these from Hobby Lobby. So you can always find little picks like this to go on your swag bundles. And I'm just going to put that up right on top. And let them hang off the side. So there's our little bundle.
I go, oh, 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 I go, oh, oh, oh.
After Christmas, I always grab picks that are 50% off or 90% off or whatever. Because these, I think, are what makes the tree look awesome. And this is how I do my toppers and my swag, is with all the picks that I can find. So I'm gonna start here with these 3. And then, I'm not even sure what this, it's styrofoam, but I'm not sure like what they did. Maybe they just rubbed some paint on it. Maybe it looked like wood. Here. The one in the middle, I'm gonna make sure goes up a little bit higher than the 2 on the sides. So you can see here that this is higher here. Just gonna add that right there. Right, then I'm gonna go in with one of these taller ones here. You know what, actually I'm gonna put this behind the wood, the faux wood. Next, I'm going to go in with this one. Kind of putting it to the side a little bit there. And I've got this other little berry pick. Usually try to spread things out a little bit so that it looks a little bit fuller. And then I'm going to go in with 2 of these along the sides. And there we go. So there's our base for our tree topper. If you have any extra stuff, you're going to go around the tree top. So you're going to go behind it and then along the sides, because this is just going to sit right in the front on top. This is where I just grab this big wire and just wrap it around all of the picks. This one we're gonna start with this branch here. I've already folded it here. This one I'm gonna keep kind of shorter. That way I can just lay it on the side of a branch and have it hang over the side. Looks like I may have cut this off of a garland and just made it a pick, which is a really good idea and a cheaper option. So I'm gonna add this to the middle here. Weave them in and out of these other branches that I'm gonna just hang off of like this. This is what you're gonna see off the side of the tree. So this would be a set. So we've got the tree topper up here and the 3 swags for this tree. Thanks for watching my tree topper and swag video. I hope you got a lot of ideas and inspiration. We've got Festival of Trees coming up. I'll be decorating that at the beginning of December, so that video will also be coming out soon. So don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when that video is ready. We'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye guys.